Student, today we are going to start our new chapter number 9, symmetry. In this chapter we will learn what is symmetry and identify the symmetrical figure, types of symmetry, reflection symmetry and rotational symmetry. So children, what is symmetry? Symmetry is the line which divides the figure into two equal parts. So children, the line which divides the figure into halves is known as the line of symmetry. This one is the reflection symmetry. So here is some figure, this is the symmetry line. This symmetry line divides this figure into two equal parts. Here equal parts and here equal parts. When we put the mirror here, the reflection of this figure is exactly the same. So here this is one line of symmetry, here only one symmetry line divides this figure into two equal parts, and here two line of symmetry, one here and one this horizontal and vertical line. This divide the figure into two equal parts. Two line of symmetry is here, and this equilateral triangle, three line of symmetry, one here and one this line and one this line, 1, 2 and 3. This three line of symmetry divide this figure into equal parts, and here this is square, four line of symmetry, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this four line of symmetry divide this square into equal parts, and here this stars, this divide these stars into five equal parts, five lines of symmetry, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This one is the reflection symmetry. Now rotational symmetry. What is rotational symmetry? A figure is said to have rotational symmetry when the figure is fixed into the center point and it rotates in the certain amount of turn, 1/4, quarter turn, half turn and full turn. It looks the same. So here this that is only you study in fraction chapter, up to here 1/4 part, and here to here 1/2 part, and this on the whole part is full terms. Rotational symmetry in alphabets and words. This H alphabet, when you rotate from this point to this point, here to here, it looks the same. H and I, N, O, S, X and Z, all these alphabet looks the same into half turn, here to here. And this word SIS is and noon. This is also half turn words, rotation words. This H 1/2 half turn words and 1/4. This figure is when you rotate from here to here, quarter turn, half turn and full turn, it looks the same. Line of symmetry in English alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, M, U, V, W, X and Y. All these are the symmetry line or axis of symmetry. When we put the mirror here, it looks the same from both the side. A real life example of symmetry. Real life example of symmetry that you see in the car wheel, bicycle wheel. When it rotates, it looks the same in quarter turn, half turn and full turn. Now exercise. Reflection symmetry. This reflection line, when we put the mirror here, both the sides are equal. This one is the symmetry line. Here this symmetry line divides this figure into two equal parts, and here this symmetry line, here and here. This two line of symmetry, this one also two line of symmetry, and here three line of symmetry, four line of symmetry. Symmetry in symbols, mathematical symbol. This addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and equal to. This symmetry line divide this symbol into equal parts. Symmetry in mask, symmetry in this faces, mask of faces. So, this line divide this mask into two equal parts. Which of the following picture are symmetrical? This one is symmetrical figure, this one is a symmetrical. When we draw the symmetrical line, it looks the same from both the side. And this, here this one. When we draw this line from here, it is symmetrical. Draw the line of symmetry for the following. Mention the number of line symmetry for each of the following. One line of symmetry, two line of symmetry, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 line of symmetry, one line of symmetry, one line of symmetry, and this 5 line of symmetry. Which of the following dotted lines are line of symmetry? Here this is line of symmetry and this one is the line of symmetry. This one is not the line of symmetry, this one is also not the line of symmetry, because this line not divide the figure into two equal parts, here and here, because this one is rectangle. Okay? If there is a square, then it divide the equal parts. Place the mirror along the yellow dotted line and draw the other half for each of the symmetrical figure. The half portion is already drawn here and you have to draw the half of the following figure. This and this star and this tree and this diamond. Exercise 9. Take the shape which look the same after a quarter turn. After a quarter turn, which of the following figure looks the same? This flower figure, when it rotates from here to here, it looks the same. And this one also from here to here, this one same, and this one also same. Take the shape which look the same after a half turn. After a half turn, which look the same from here to here. This figure is from here, which looks this side, so it look the same. This one and this one. For the shape below, specify the turn after which they look the same. This one 1/4, it means quarter turn. When it rotate from the quarter turn, it look the same. This one, when it rotate the half turn, it look the same. And this one also rotate from quarter turn, it look the same, and this edge when it rotate from half turn, it look the same. So children, this your chapter is completed. Now your term 2 syllabus is completed. Thank you.